Hello dear students, hope you all are well. Dear students, we are doing unit 2 and this is gender, and I have explained you what is gender. Gender is the state of being male or female. Gender वो होता है जो हमें बताता है मेल और फीमेल के बारे में. And we have also discussed what is masculine gender and what is feminine gender. So male human beings or animals belong to the masculine gender, while female human beings or animals belong to feminine gender. Today I am going to discuss worksheet 1, which is given on page number 13. Worksheet 1. The following persons, animals have got separated from their partners. Line to match the partners. But they are saying animals और जो person है उनको उनके partner से अलग करा हुआ है. अब हम उन्हें line के साथ match करना है. So, dear student, what will you write? You will write here M and here F. M for masculine gender, F for feminine gender. Let's start. Author. The partner of author is authoress. Fine. Next is actor. Now the right answer is actress. So partner of actor is actress. The next one is landlord. So who is partner? Yes, is landlady. The next one is horse, mare. The next one is peacock and peahen. Hero, the partner of hero is heroine. Dancer, madam. After that, wizard, it's witch. So here we have done worksheet 1, and now I'm going to discuss worksheet 2. The name of some persons or animals are given below. Write M if they are of the masculine gender and F if they are of the feminine gender. Write the names of the opposite gender in the space provided. Take words from the 8 box. There is a 8 box. With this box we will fill these columns that I am going to explain you here. What we will do, that we will use F for the female and M for the male gender. Let's start. Bride. We know it's a female. You will write F. And the opposite of bride is bridegroom. You will write BRIDEGROOM. The opposite of bride is bridegroom. Host, it's a male. We will write masculine. So the right answer is the opposite of host is hostess. HOSTESS, hostess. Okay, right. Then master, again male, and answer is mistress. MISTRESS, mistress. Duke, again male. Then opposite gender is duchess. DUCHESS, duchess. Cow, female. Now opposite gender is bull. BULL, bull. Queen, female again, and the opposite gender is king. KING, king. Then bitch, again female gender, and the answer is, the opposite of this gender is dog. DOG, dog. Then empress, it's a female, and the answer is emperor. EMPEROR, emperor. Then horse, it's a male, and opposite gender is mare. MARE, mare. Then peacock, male again, and opposite gender is peahen. PEAHEN, peahen. So dear student, here we have done worksheet 2, and you will do this exercise on page number 13. Now I am going to discuss common gender. Like we have discussed 2 type of gender, masculine gender and feminine gender. So there is another type of gender, and that is common gender. What is common gender? Some names are common for both gender. ऐसे names जो कि दोनों genders के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? common gender. ठीक है? For example, principal. We use principal word for both male and female. ठीक है? Students. Student word भी हम क्या करते हैं? मेल और फीमेल दोनों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. देन टीचर, टीचर वर्ड भी हम क्या करते हैं? मेल और फीमेल दोनों के लिए ही यूज़ करते हैं. कुक, फिश, एक्सेट्रा. सो दीज आर कॉमन जेंडर. फाइन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन you here one more time. Worksheet 3. We have learned about the masculine and feminine gender. Let us understand about the common gender, which I have explained you. Let's read it one more time. Some names are common for both the gender. They can be used for both male and female. They are noun of the common gender. For example, child and doctor. Now add a few more to the list. So you will write baby, parents, students, cook and fish. Now I'm going to discuss next activity. Now complete the names of the following person, animals, and write whether they belongs to male, female, common gender. The first one has been done for you. One, a person who paints is a painter. So painter is a common gender. Next, I will explain you here. Number 2, a child without parents is called. It's often ORPHAN, orphan. So orphan is a which gender? It's a common gender. You will write common. Number 3, a person who lives in the house next to you is your neighbor. NEIGHBOUR, and neighbor is also a common gender. So you will write common. Fourth, your father's dad is your grandfather. GRANDFATHER, grandfather. GRANDFATHER, grandfather. So it's a masculine gender. MASCULINE. Fifth, the opposite gender of horse is a mare. MARE. So it's a feminine. FEMININE, feminine. The sixth one is the opposite gender of nephew is its niece. NIECE. So which gender is this? Yes, it's a feminine again. FEMININE. Now seventh one, the person who teach us is a teacher. So TEACHER. So which gender is teacher? It's common. कि हम commonly use करते हैं मेल और फीमेल के लिए. Common. So dear student, here we have done our worksheet 3. So you will fill these blanks on page number 14. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.